Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on iPhone after updating to iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution number 1. Check microphone permissions. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap screen time. Select content and privacy restriction. Scroll down and tap microphone. Make sure it's set to allow changes and that the problematic app has microphone access. Solution number 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off. Now test your microphone again. Solution number 3. Check for iOS update. Go to setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install to upgrade your iOS. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Tap Reset all settings again to confirm. That's it for today's video. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the microphone not working issue on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.